Yeah! Hey guys, I want to show you this pretty rare RC car, and I don't know if many people are looking for it, but it is rare, and this is it's modeled after a 2005 Mustang GT-R Concept car. So this is not the proper remote, so on this one, forward is reverse and reverse is forward, but left and right works just fine, so let's try it. Woo! Look at that! Takes some while getting used to forward reverse. Nice. That was a quick test run of this RC car. This car was in mint condition when I got it, and as far as I know, based on the tire tread, this car has never been driven either, so whoever bought this was only using it for display purposes, and I can see why. It's a very nice body. But yeah, this is a 1/10 scale made by JADA, and it's part of their Big Time Muscle series, and I got this for dirt cheap. The guy didn't really want it. That seems to be the case with a lot of my purchases. I look for people who don't want their RC cars, and then I snatch it up for a very good price. Anyways, the battery, it is a 9.6 V NiCad battery. And let's go look at this. Oh, let me show you this first. I didn't have a transmitter, but I was able to find an old transmitter, and I was able to make this JADA RC Rollers transmitter work for that. And what frequency is this? Doesn't even say. I don't even know what frequency that's on. But anyways, let's go look at the measurements of this RC body. So it's about, it's almost 16.5 inches or so. I think the website list is at 17. It could be 17 inches if you count that very front black part, which really shouldn't be existing on a real car. That's the length of the entire body. The wheelbase is about, it looks to be just short of 10 inches. And the width, listen, that's 500 horsepower. It's coming from a lawnmower. Anyways, the width is about, it's a little shy of 7 inches. That's really annoying, to be honest. But this is a great looking body. I don't know if I have any fans of Mustangs on my website or on my channel. But this is a very good looking body. And again, it's pretty rare. This RC model was discontinued. And I guess post your thoughts on this concept Mustang.